Foods to avoid during keto diet. Any food that is high in carbs should be restricted. Here is a rundown of food varieties that should be diminished or disposed of on a ketogenic diet. Sweet food varieties, pop, natural product juice, smoothies, cake, frozen yogurt, candy, and so forth. Grains or starches, wheat-based items, rice, pasta, cereal, and so on. Organic product, all natural product, aside from little partitions of berries like strawberries. Beans or vegetables, peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, and so forth. Root vegetables and tubers, potatoes, yams, carrots, parsnips, and so forth. Low-fat or diet items, low-fat mayonnaise, salad dressings, and sauces. A few fixings or sauces, grill sauce, honey mustard, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, and so on. Undesirable fats, handled vegetable oils, mayonnaise, and so forth. Liquor, lager, wine, alcohol, blended beverages. Drag_indicator sans sugar diet food sources, sans sugar confections, syrups, puddings, sugars, pastries, and so forth.